papaitan. Painit ko.
Si Lolit Solis, nako! Hindi Gawin mo. Kaya mas guwapo naman. Yesterday. Guwapo ka guwapo. Parehas. Oh my goodness.
Okay, good evening to everyone, and this is actually my special birthday. My real birthday was yesterday. It was December 18th, so now it's 19th. So, as I promised you guys, I told you, it's gonna be a very special occasion exclusively for you. Oh, palakpakan niyo naman. Akala niyo nagbibiro ako, ano? Akala niyo nagbibiro ako. They thought that I am just kidding. I told them before that I'm going to celebrate my special birthday exclusively for them. So as you can see, it's just them, okay? Plus, I'm sure that a few of my family or a few of my friends are gonna be here. O sige, kanta na natin tayo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. How old I am? 18? Oh my goodness. Thank you. I love you all. You're always going to be invited every year. So again, you can actually go and have some food, dinner time. Pasensya na po kayo kung ano ang niluto po ng tita ko, pero as far as I'm concerned, tita is a caterer, so she is a very good cook. I'm sure you're going to enjoy her food. Oh, sige po, please serve it. Ha? Oh, asan yung rice? Magdala na dito. Okay, I'm going to sing as I promised you guys. Oh! Sandali lang. Hanggang ngayon ba single ka pa? Bola. Type pa naman kita. Ayoko ng boleto. Alam mo, kailan pa ba yun? Kailan pa? The last time we saw each other. Happy birthday to me. Okay, bakit ako may mahiya? By the way, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Jericho. I got my pin! Yay! Thank you, Rino. He's the CEO and chairman of Jericho. Thank you once again.
cute and so pretty. The real me is not blonde anyway. Cute, talagang girlies. Tapos meron pang coin, ang sarap. Wow! Thank you!
O, sinong kakanta? Gusto niyo pa akong kumanta? Concert ka na to, no? Siguro naman, hindi naman mabubulabog yung kapitbahay. Special night ko naman ngayon. Ano muna tayo? Kanta muna, ha? Okay. I will see what I can do. Oh, by the way, I'd like to thank everybody on Facebook and YouTube. Guys, thank you so much. I can't believe it. I mean, throughout the world, you know, everybody has actually sent me some messages, wonderful messages, and of course, some nice cakes, pictures. I wish they can just send them through email as food. But of course, I know that, you know, they did everything in order to do something for me. It's very, very special surprise. And of course, Stanley with his friends. By the way, Mr. Walid, you know, his landlord, and actually two of his friends, and that's Julie and Lila. Thank you very much. I knew that you were really celebrating my birthday there. I wish I could go there, and at least I could have tasted the food that you prepared for me. Okay, as a special message for you guys, I'm gonna do it by song, okay? So to all of those people who love me, and to all of those friends on Facebook and YouTube who have greeted me, I should say, I would like to dedicate this song for you guys. Okay, this is one of my favorites, and actually I sang this. It's one of my songs in my album called I Got a Power. Why should it be you, and bakit ikaw pa?
Why do I miss you? It's day and night, my love. Why do I want you? Always be on your side. Why do I always see you in all my dreams? Why do I have to love you so much like this? Why do I miss you? The one I'm longing for. Why should it be you? Praying the whole night through. Why am I always searching in vain for you? Why do I have to fall in love with you? Why should it be my life through? The one I am loving so much, I haven't been so thankful. Ever since I forgot the English. Bakit ikaw ang kailangan ng aking buhay? Bakit ikaw mahal?
Mamaya bigyan ko kayo ng album.
Bakit ikaw pa?
Yeah.
Ang hinahanap ko. Bakit ikaw ang hinihintay ko? Bakit ikaw ang iniisip ko? Bakit ikaw pa ang minahal ko? Bakit sa'yo ko nadarama ito?
That is actually one of my songs in my album called I Got the Power. And there is also an English version which is called Why Should It Be You? Oh, don't forget, okay, bigyan natin sila ng album ko mamaya. Marshall, ha, bigyan sila ha, mamaya ng album ko, okay? And of course, to all of my friends and cousins, I know that you are all in the province. Tapos yung mga iba naman hindi nakarating. Bakit ganon? Kung kayo may birthday, pupunta ako sa inyo. But if it's my birthday, you are not coming. Pero it's okay.
Okay lang. Total, ako naman kakain lahat dito. Dito naman mga friends ko, sila ang totoong nagmamahal.
Oh, focus on your focus. Oh, at least I know that they love me so much. See? Pero because I love them, I really made it really exclusive for them. Ayun. Grabe! Lahat pala tayo single. Dapat pala magpatayo tayo ng club. Yeah, welcome to the club of singles. Oh, di ba? Hindi ko ano. Oo. Ikaw na lang kaya ako magtanong. Ano ba yan?
Bisaya yun.
Ha? Oo nga, single ladies. Grabe, Diyos ko. And this is my tita. My tita is the one who actually cooked all the food. She's a caterer, so for sure, it's very, very delicious.